I'm Martina D'Amato, and I'm a PhD candidate at the BGC. And this is a Perugia towel, so called because these were produced in Perugia and the surrounding region of Umbria in the 15th and 16th centuries. These were made of linen and cotton. The white area is a twilled linen, and the blue bands are a cotton weft that's been dyed with indigo or woad. These were used at home as tablecloths, napkins, or hand towels, but also as altar cloths. This one is not that old. In the late 19th century, Perugia towels were collected as a form of Renaissance handcraft, and that kickstarted a small industry in which these were reproduced as souvenirs. And the dead giveaway that this one is a circa 1900 souvenir is the end band that actually reads Perugia. So what I love about this object is that it tells many different stories. Renaissance domestic and ecclesiastical life, the revival of Italian industrial arts at the end of the 19th century, the tourist trade, and especially it was given to me by a very dear friend.